Hi everyone, Redneck Computer Geek here, just shooting a little Brooder box video because you see a lot of people asking about building Brooder boxes, and so I wanted to shoot one I built this year. And basically underneath here I've got a tray that I started with, and these are oil pan trays. You can buy them at AutoZone. They're 25 inches by 36 inches exactly long, which means that you can pick them up and walk them out through your front door, or because they're nice solid sheet steel, you can just scoop them up with something like an old pan like that. So on the inside here, what we've done is we've got standard 3-finish pine, which is 12 inches wide, well 11.5 by the time they do the edges. And then this is just strapping pack that you get from most hardware stores. Usually they're sold as a bundle pack, about 10 pieces to a bundle for like 20 bucks. And what I did was around the edge down in here, I did a piece of strapping all the way around that fits just up, you can see it good right there, that fits just above the pan so that when they poop, everything goes down into the pan for scraping up. And that makes it so it's just tall enough on the inside that the regular standard bottles fit. But the other thing that you can do here, let me undo the clasp on either side. One thing you can do here is you can take a Folgers can and cut holes in the side of it like this. And that makes you a nice little feeder that they can get into. Now the can lid does get really hot underneath one of these lights, so you want to set it off somewhere it's not getting directly blasted on. Now we ended up raising ducks this year also, and this brooder box worked okay for the ducks for about 2 weeks. Now all of these day-old chicks all came home the same exact day as the ducks, and the kids and I are about to go and show you what the ducks look like. Now here, this is what we put down when we get the cleaning done. We put down just regular baking soda, and we put down some shavings like what you get at the pet store in order to sop up everything. And this is the bigger brooder box that we use for the ducks. Yet again, you can see I've modified it for one of those trays in underneath. And there's that. And I set the light right in the middle, right down onto it. It works just fine that way, and it's plenty safe. When I'm dealing with really young chicks, I like this type because I can hook it into the grate on the inside and set it down into a corner. So there's this one. That's the new one. And now remember, these were purchased the same day as the ducks. Now the kids are in the bathroom. Let's go take a look at the ducks.
Yeah, John keeps on talking.
Riley's the future film crew, and John likes to be in the films.
Yeah, he talks a lot in the video.
I know. So this is my old camera I shot almost all my major how-tos with back years ago. Little Samsung. And here are all the ducks. Now remember, they were all John, get your head out of the way. Remember, they were all the same day as the chicks. Now, when you're raising up ducks, you want to make sure they get a bath time at least once every at least probably once a week or so, if you can, because they're not like chickens. They don't preen themselves very well, and the undersides of their bellies and the undersides of their feet end up caked with poop and stuff if you don't give them a good bath. Just the nature of raising waterfowl. Let me see if I can get them in there. All right. So there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this thing about the brooder boxes. If it helps you, go ahead and share it with other people that are looking for ideas this time of year. Have fun, guys.